Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are thinking about starting a perfume business in Nigeria, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to explain how beginners can start their perfume business from scratch. Even if you have little capital, even if you don't own a shop, even if you have never sold a perfume before, stay with me until the end, because the last mistake I will talk about has caused a lot of people to lose money. Then let's begin. First of all, why is this perfume business attractive? The simple answer is people want to smell good. Everybody wants to smell good. People use fragrance every day. That means there is always a demand. Before you spend your money, you need to understand the market. This is where many beginners fail. They buy product first and ask questions later. That is the wrong approach. Instead, study the market. Find out what people around you love to wear. Ask questions, visit perfume shop, check social media, read customer review, understand what sells. The second step, decide how much capital you have. You do not need millions of nairas to begin. Start with what you can afford. The goal is not to look big. The goal is to stay in the business. Many people rush into impressing others and end up running out of money. Start small and grow gradually. The third part, find a reliable supplier. This is one of the most important steps. Your supplier can make you or break your business. If you buy fake products, customer will lose trust, and once trust is lost, it is difficult to get it back. Always verify supplier and ask questions. Research the company and compare the prices. Avoid deals that seems too good to be true. The first step, choose the type of perfume you want to sell. Some sellers focus on designer perfume, while some focus on Middle East perfume. Others sell perfume oils, while some sell all categories of perfumes. As a beginner, it is often easier to focus on a specific category, then expand later. The fifth step is to learn about the product you sell. This is very important. You cannot sell what you do not understand. Learn the fragrance notes, learn the performance, learn the projection, learn the occasion each fragrance suits. Customers appreciate suppliers who understand their feed. Customers appreciate sellers who know their products. Knowledge creates confidence, and confidence creates sales. The sister creates a social media presence. In today's world, a perfume business without a social media is missing a huge opportunity. Open a Facebook page, open an Instagram account, open a TikTok account, open a YouTube account. Post consistently, show your products, educate people, build trust. Many people make this mistake here. They went ahead and rent an expensive shop before building an audience. They struggle to get customers. Instead, build your online presence first. Let people know you. Let people trust you. Then expand when the time is right. The seventh step, take good pictures and videos. Presentations matters a lot. People often buy with their eyes first. Clean photos, clear videos and good lights. These things can make a big difference. You do not need expensive equipment. Just make sure your content look professional. The eighth step, price your product properly. Do not price too low and do not price too high. Calculate your cost. Consider packaging and also consider profit. Then choose a reasonable price. Remember, you are running a business, not a charity. The ninth step, present an excellent customer service. This is where many business succeed and where many business fail. Be polite, be honest, deliver what you promise. Customers remember how you treat them. A certified customer may return many times and may recommend you to others too. 10th step, reinvest your profits. Many beginners make money then spend everything. That is a mistake. Use part of your profits to buy more products. Improve your marketing, improve your business. Growth requires reinvestment. Now let's talk about some common mistakes. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong location. A bad location can reduce sales. Always study the area before opening a shop. Mistake number 2, buying from unverified supplier. Cheap is not always better. A fake product can damage your reputation. Mistake number 3, ignoring social media. Many customers discover business online. Do not ignore the opportunity. Mistake number 4, trying to grow too fast. Growth is important, but rushing can be dangerous. Build your business step by step. Mistake number 5. Not learning continuously. The perfume industry changes. New fragrance can be released. New trends can appear. Keep learning and keep improving. Can perfume business be profitable in Nigeria? The answer is yes, but success does not happen overnight. It requires patience, it requires consistency, it requires trust, and it requires hard work. Start small. Learn the market, find reliable supplier, build your online presence, treat customer well, and continue improving. If you do these things consistently, your perfume business can grow over time. What starts as small business today could become a successful perfume brand tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.